Hi friends, today we are going to learn the next part is that summary writing. My dear friends, each and every year we are learning the summary writing, but still in the new syllabus of the 12th standard English, in the writing skill, they are included the summary writing. Friends, summary writing, it is a very important and the significant part. You know that summary writing it means what? My dear friend, summary writing it means we have to make an ideal one third of the given extract or the given passage, that is called as the summary writing. It is they can ask at any point, that is it will be asked on the article, it will be asked on the lecture, it will be asked on the passage, any other point also. They will ask this question for the 4 marks. So summary writing it means make an ideal one third of the given passage. My dear friends, today I have write down some points about the summary writing, or there are some tricks where we will be learn to write down the how should we write the summary writing. The title is that points to remember. When we are writing the summary writing, at that time these 11 points we have to remember in our mind to write down the summary writing. My dear friends, repeatedly I will tell you that summary writing is for the 4 marks in the new writing skill in the 12th standard. Now summary writing it means, actually I have already told you the definition of summary writing. Summary writing it means to make an ideal one third of the given passage. It means actually what steps we should taken when we would like to make the summary writing. The first is the browse the text. Now browse the text it means actually we have to see the text, we have to understand the text, the given text, which text we have to make the summary writing. The next is that try to divide the text into section. If they will ask to make the summary writing of the given passage, so for that we have to make the different section for the summary writing. Actually we have to try to divide the section in the different part, that is called as the summary writing. Now you will ask that summary writing is the different part, and to making the section of the given passage is the different part. So why should we make the divide the different section? For that it means we have to understand actually the concept of that the given passage, the idea of that passage of the summary writing. Now the third section is that why you have been assigned the text. It means why they are asking the given assign the text. My dear friends, it means you have to understand the actually concept, actually the idea of the given passage. First of all, the summary writing it means what? I have already told you the summary writing it means to make an ideal one third of the given passage. So why we should make the summary of the given passage? It means you have to make the own sentences to clarify, to clarification the given concept or the idea in the given passage in your own language or in your own words. When we are writing the summary at that time, it is very important part to make the small compounding sentence or the complex sentence at your own idea, because actually the question paper is demanding to the different answer in your own words. Here the very important concept, very important idea is that what the pupil is thinking about the given passage, what the student is thinking about the given passage, we have to write down in your own words or in your own complex or the compound sentences. If you want to clarify that concept in your own words, so you will be success to write down the summary. The next is what type of the text you are dealing with it. It means actually what type of that the dealing passage or the dealing concept. It means actually what they are understanding, what they are demanding from the answer. The next number 5 is identify important information. If you really want to make the summary of the given passage, so here it is very significant part is that you have to identify the given important information, because here when we will be try to make the summary writing at that time, we have to make the focus on the just important aspect, important information, what the subject they are telling in that the given passage. Actually apart from that, you have to omit the extra part in that given passage. So here first of all you have to read the paragraph twice time, third time, or the more and more times if you want to really improve the write of the summary writing. For that you have to make identify the important information. The number 6 next is that highlighting important information. The next step is that you have to make the highlighting what the points they are given in that passage. You have to focusing, you have to concentrate on that the given passage. Apart from the, I have already told you, apart from the extra part, actually some main topics are given here. So you have to focusing, you have to highlighting, you have to make the underline of that given central idea or the focus idea and given the information of that. Number 7, that's write in your own words. My dear friends, the summary writing is a very important aspect, because in the whole procedure, in the whole process of summary writing is a important aspect is that in your own idea, in your own words, in your own sentences, in your own complex or the compound sentences, here they are demanding the answer. Apart from that, actually direct what they are saying in the given passage. Actually you have to understand first of all what the passage is saying. What the actual passage is, that the concept of the passage, and you have to highlighting the given focuses. You have to make the highlighting of that given concept, and you will be write down in your own words. The number 8, write down the main points. The next step or the next part is that when you have withdrawn, when you have omitting the extra part, after that you have to write down the main points. When you will be understand what the important part in that given passage, you have to underline that point and you have to write down the main point in that. The next is that key points for the main topic, because in the given passage or in the given paragraph they are giving the main topic, subtopic and then subtopic. First of all, you have to understand what the main concept, later then you have to understand the subtopic, and the last then subtopic. It means first of all you have to write down the key points for the main topic, and the next is the do not include minor details. If you really improve your summary writing, so do not include minor points in this passage, because here actually they are demanding the concept of that directly the 1/3 answer, directly 1/3 the given procedure. Now if you really want to improve your summary writing, so you have to write down the answer in just one square. You have to understand what the concept they are saying, and then here do not include the minor points. If you really want your summary writing will be better than other students, so here you have to remove the minor information in that, because look at, I will repeatedly tell you, here it is not important what you have, how many sentences you have written here. Here the most important point is that what you have to make the exaggerate in that passage, what type of words, and that is in your language, it is very important. And then last is that make the suitable changes, because without making the changes in the sentences or the sentence constructions, we could not write down the answer, we could not write down the summary writing. So here we have to make the suitable changes, we have to uses the more linking words like as and, but, on any other words when we are writing the summary writing. And the last and the least part of is that we have to write down the suitable title of the given concept or the given passage, because here without title we could not write down the summary writing. Here what did the students many and more times, if some word is repeatedly more and more time in the passages, in the given passage, at that time student will understand this repeatedly word will become a suitable title for the given passage. Completely approximately opposite here, because first of all you have to understand what they are saying. First of all you will be understand what the basic concept of the given passage. Among of that you will be understand the concept, the given title is the different from the given passage. If you really want to develop the summary writing, so you have to make the remember this 11 points or 11 or the 12 points, and then you will be write down. Look at, my dear friends, summary writing is a very important aspect in the writing skill. It will be a 11th standard question paper or the 12th standard question paper. It will be a successful, it will be a very helpful to growing the marks in your mark sheet if you will be really develop the summary writing. In this video we will be see that how we will write down the summary writing. In the next lesson actually we will learn how we will write down the summary writing. Thank you.